Hi, I'm Kylie Ludwig, Family Consumer Science Agent with K-State Research and Extension's Walcat District. Today I want to talk with you about what to keep and what to throw out. One of life's most important lessons is distinguishing what is trivial from what is not. While we're tempted to lump our personal documents among life's petty details, their significance can be major. Several factors determine how long it's appropriate or necessary to keep important household papers. These include the paper's original source, intended use, and required access. Consider the following recommended guidelines. Permanent or original records that do not change over time you want to keep indefinitely. Examples would be a birth, marriage, death, or adoption certificate, military discharge papers, or naturalization papers. Some records you want to keep for multiple years. Records for proof of payment or transactions. Examples would be tax returns with documentary proof, keep for a recommended 3 to 6 years, title to a car until it's sold, transferred, or discarded, a mortgage contract, and receipts for home improvement until the mortgage is paid in full and the house is sold or all claims of major damage are settled, and keep deeds until the property is sold or transferred. Some files only need to be kept annually and then safely discarded. Examples would be a household budget, bank and/or credit union statements, homeowner or auto insurance policies until they expire and new policies are put into effect. Items that await an action to disqualify their further usefulness, usually less than a year, are things you would keep temporarily. For example, credit card receipts until they are matched with the billing to be certain the charge was both legitimate and for the proper amount, or billings until they're paid in full. If you're not sure what to keep and what to throw out, don't hesitate to call one of our offices for additional help. K-State Research and Extension is a source of research-based education you can rely on. We assist individuals, businesses, and communities in their efforts to find solutions, develop their knowledge base, and better themselves as a whole.